Hey everybody, it's wonderful to see you. I was actually going to do a tutorial video today, but I can feel some going on, and I really didn't want to work on a tutorial and sound all gunky. And technically for my standard filming day would have been tomorrow, but obviously, well, for you guys it's Friday, and for me today it's Wednesday. Usually I do all my filming on Thursday. So because I want to get this filmed before this sets in and gets any worse, I'm obviously not going to be able to do my tutorial tomorrow, which takes a little bit longer than standing here and doing a quick update with some things. So if I get lucky enough to beat this before Friday evening, then I will do a wonderful tutorial and you guys will get 2 videos. If not, I'm very sorry, and this is all I have for you. So I want to do some Black Friday chit chat, and I am kind of glad that I decided to do this video because I have so much stuff coming out for you guys, and with my normal scheduled video plan for the next couple of weeks, I wouldn't have been able to fit this in. So I got a couple of different types of journals coming out, and they're going to be released on different days. As you guys already know, on Monday, we released our basics collection on the webpage. Miss Lovely Debbie Oodle ordered this Edgar Allan Poe, and I have to sit down after I get done filming this video and get it ready and prep to ship out. My goal is to have it shipped out by Thursday, if not Friday. Again, it just depends. If I get all gunky and sick, then I'll have to put on some gloves and put on a face mask and just get to work and get this done for her. Whereas if I don't, then I will be filming, mixing in, getting this done with her at the same time. If I only have to work on this, obviously it'll get done faster. But I don't want to get sick. So I'm praying that I get it done a little bit slower on the fact of I won't get sick. Okay, so another release that is coming out. So today, for me, which is Wednesday, these come out. So these will come out Wednesday. They will already be up on the shop by the time this video comes out. So this little lovely 30-day and this lovely 5x7 is available now in the Etsy shop. Okay, so this next week on Monday, you will see another lineup of basics coming. I'm going to try and list 10 every Monday until they're all listed. I may do a little bit more than 10 because obviously I want to have a few extra listed up on the shop before Black Friday. But after Black Friday, I will be doing 10 consistently until they're listed. And that is to include whatever I do find between now and the time that I have them all finished. So it may be a while before I have my whole inventory of basics up, because I do have, I think, 2 more boxes of them in the shed, and they're like the big ginormous printer boxes for the printer paper. So that Monday, obviously, we're going to have the basics. The next one we're going to do is the triangles. The triangles will also come out. I have a whole set of them. My mom does have 2 more down at the house, and I'm hoping if I don't get sick on Friday and Saturday, I have to go down and help out the family. And when I do, she will have these 2, hopefully the extra 2 that goes with this set complete. If not, then they will not be listed until later on. I'm hoping to get them out before Black Friday. But we'll see what happens. You know, God forbid I actually get a head and then I get a cold. So after that, obviously, we'll have another setup of 10 basics. And then I think the week of Black Friday, and possibly the remainder of this week up to Black Friday, I'm going to do my best to release a few more. I also have scrap packs. I have a set of 10, hopefully, that will be coming out. None of them are Christmas or holiday themed because I made a lot of these at the beginning of the year and they've just been sitting in the corner somewhere, and I'm finally getting them finished. So I am truly sorry about that. And because of anticipation of Black Friday, I may not have very many holiday themed ones in the shop for Black Friday. But after Black Friday, I do have plenty of lovelies planned. And hopefully next year come Black Friday, I will have some new ones of that style in the shop and ready for you lovelies. So we have the scrap packs. I know there's one more that I have ready for you guys. Had a secondary brain fart right there. I have ledgers. Now, they're not all completely finished. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to have them out in time, but I am going to let you guys know I have at least 5 ledgers almost ready. So we will see what happens between now and then. If not, then I definitely have plenty of stock for you guys to go through for Black Friday. To boot, I know I keep talking about Black Friday and all this stock. I'm not telling you guys about the sales. So let's get into the nitty gritty of what you guys want to know. So for Black Friday sales, my plans are 10% or up to $10 off anything $35 or more. So, I'm probably going to have to go through and manually edit the price codes right now because, as you all know, I just barely got the website up and running. I'm still learning some of the ins and outs of it, and I'm not 100% sure how to do discounts, coupon codes, all that other stuff. If I get it up and running, obviously I will release it to you guys the morning of Black Friday or even Thursday night after I get done with the family. So if you guys stick around on Thursday evening late before I go to bed, you will have a shot at the coupon code if I do happen to get one made for the webpage. But Etsy does have the coupon code feature, and they just offered it for free for the holidays. So stick around, and you guys will definitely on Thursday evening have access to the Etsy coupon code early to be able to start stocking up for your Black Friday sale on Etsy. Now, as you all know, I'm transitioning from Etsy over to the LMD shop. So I usually do keep the Etsy shop pretty well stocked, but I'm only going to put one of each collection that I have. So I do like the collection of triangles and the collection of scrap packs. You'll only ever find one at a time of those on Etsy. If there's duplicates, sometimes it's because I get a little excited or something and accidentally list 2 on there. With the new LMD site up and running, that is less likely to happen now. So if it is also listed on Etsy, you will not find it on LMD, vice versa. So if you really see a journal on Instagram that you completely love, then you will have to read the description box to make sure whether it's on Etsy or whether it's on LMD, because I will let you guys know in the description box which one to go to. Obviously, if you're on Instagram, link is in the bio. I edit it now. The Lil Miss Dasie shop is at the top of all of the link tree icons. So the icons are pretty much little buttons that you can click to navigate between all of my different websites through Linktree. And I try to put Linktree on all of my different social media accounts, so it's just an easy way for you guys to navigate. So the shop is at the top. If I'm not mistaken, Instagram is next, and it's Etsy is after that. If not, then it's a culmination. It would be shop, Instagram, Etsy, or shop, Etsy, Instagram, one or the other. And of course, all the rest of my information and other places you can go. So I hope this really helps you guys, and I hope you guys are excited for all of the sales and all of the journals coming out this month. I still haven't decided exactly how after Black Friday I'm going to keep routine and how many journals I'm going to release a month. I was sticking to about 4 on Etsy. So I guess it just depends on my schedule and how many I get done a week or how many I get done a month. I do have some goals in place, but until I get more consistent with it, obviously I can only do so much. Alrighty, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope this was very informative for you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys on Black Friday. Also, real quick, last minute, one thing that has really helped me out, I got this wonderful planner from Clever Fox, and this is my schedule for what's been going on. As you guys can see, it's a very, very crazy schedule. So the one thing that they didn't do that I had to do was I had to go in and split it and put home life and workflow. That way I can balance them out equally and feel a lot more balanced in what I do every day. So this way I can put just as much on my work chart as I put on my home chart, and I have to get equal balance done. It just really helps me out. Otherwise I focus on nothing but LMD and getting nothing in the house done, and then I burn myself out. Also, another really good thing that I love to do is when a project is complete, I highlight it. That way it stands out, it's done, and it makes me feel more confident because I completed something. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to start trying to do a planner session every day, or at least once a week on my vlog. Or I also talked about merging my vlog with this channel, which means if I do decide to do it, then these will be morning videos. So I will upload them the night prior, and you'll get to see them the next day on whatever my planning is, obviously, for that day or that week. Okay, well, actually, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to set that up. I might let you guys see the previous week's plans. That way, it just sometimes sticking your stuff out on the internet, because sometimes people watch, and we all know this, so we want to keep it safe for everyone, including myself. So if I list things that I previously did that I'm not already doing, then anyone who's watching that could possibly use this to make anyone a victim will not have that opportunity as easily. So I hope you all understand, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Bye.